Hi guys, it's Angie with Itty Bitty Crafts, and I'm coming today to do a DT project share for Crafty Me Shop, and that's run by Esme. And here's her information. She has a sale every Friday, and she sells laces, blings, trims, trinket boxes, you name it. She sells it. She has a wonderful sale every weekend, like I said. She'll give you the time beforehand to let you know when the sale is going to go on, and it's a live sale. And I'm so very honored that I get to be part of her team. And so what I made is kind of like a plethora of Easter stuff. It's kind of like an Easter explosion. So I end up using a lot of her trims and her paper flowers that were in my DT kit. So I thought I would go ahead and make it a DT project share. So anyways, let's get started. So here's the first thing I made. This is a paper mache bunny. And so he's made out of paper mache, and then he's glittered. He's painted and glittered. And there's a little bunny and a little egg back there. And then what I used from Esme's shop is her little flower. I thought that looked cute as a little neck on the neck. So this is a cute little bunny. And then the next project I made was a paper mache truck. And so it's adorned with, again, her paper flowers that she sells. So this is just another way to show you how you can use her paper flowers other than just, on cards or paper. I kind of take stuff and use them all kinds of different ways. So this is just another quick look at the truck. And then so anyways, there's a paper mache carrot that I made and some eggs in there. So it's kind of like an vintage Easter truck. Kind of cartoonish, but was so super fun to make. So anyways, so that's the truck. And then I made a little, just move this out of the way to see better. This little camp trailer. So this was a lot of fun. I haven't made a full paper mache camp trailer yet. I usually do like a 2D one. So this time I did a 3D little camper. And so this is Esme's trim. Like I said, I use everything down to a nub. And I think Sierra can appreciate that because we use everything down to a nub. So this is the trailer. You guys can better get a look at that. These are super, like I said, super fun to make. I haven't done paper mache in so long, and I've really busted it out and started doing a lot of projects again. So there's that. And then the next one is a plaster. I made a few plaster bunnies, and this one I kind of made a vintage shabby plaster bunny. So he's made out of plaster, then painted, antiqued, and then glittered with some glitter. It's called Diamond Dust. And then this is her trim, and this is also her trim that I just received actually in another little DT box that she sent me. So this is a vintage rabbit. It's fun. I love doing stuff out of plaster. I think it's a lot of fun, especially Easter for decorations and stuff. So I love how the Diamond Dust just really gives it that antique-y kind of vintage look on it. And then just this little tiny embellishment, that I used her flower on. So I thought I'd throw that in there since this was part of my the kit that I got. So with some of the flowers, and so I just kind of glittered the flower, and it's a bottle cap, and I have a piece of doily and some scrapbook paper, and just layered it up. I'm very into the layering. So there's that. And then last is a plaque that I made, a wall hanging out of her trim. So everything that's in this rose collage is from her shop, and right down to the tool that I cut off another piece. So anyways, I just kind of made that embellishment and hot glued it on. But what this is, it's another plaster bunny. And then what I did is hand painted it, and then I've been practicing the watercolor effects with the flowers with acrylic paints. And then so I did that on there, and then I kind of put this crackle on there, which was it ended up turning out awesome, but I had some hit and misses with what I did, and so I was able to pull it off. But anyway, so this is just an egg, a masonite egg that I had purchased at Hobby Lobby. It comes in a 3-pack, but so this kind of has some weight to it. But anyway, so this is Esme's trim here as well, and then I just put a bow on the top to hang it, so you can get a better look there. So this is the bunny. Hope you love it, Esme. And then, again, the embellishment. And then the vintage bunny. And then the camper, because we all want a camper, right? Like this. At least I do. And then the Easter truck. So I just kind of did a whole bunch of mishmash stuff, and like I said, I just started thinking about her things, and I was like, oh gosh, these would be great in here, even if I just use the paper flowers and stuff. So, and then last but not least, the cute little Easter bunny. So anyways, Esme, I hope you enjoyed these few projects that I did using your paper flowers and your trims for Easter projects. I'm having a ton of fun working with your things, and I just appreciate that you gave me the opportunity to be part of your team. And anyways, so we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.